Welcome to this beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome in Land O'Lakes, Florida, located in the highly sought-after Connerton master-planned community. This spacious and light-filled Connerton townhome features a comfortable, functional floor plan ideal for primary residents, second home buyers, or real estate investors. Inside, you'll find well-sized bedrooms, a private primary suite, and an open living and dining area perfect for everyday living and entertaining. The convenient half-bath on the main floor adds functionality, while the thoughtfully designed layout makes this home highly desirable for both homeowners and long-term tenants. This tenant-occupied townhome presents a strong opportunity for buyers seeking an income-producing property or investors looking for immediate rental income. The current tenant has expressed interest in staying, offering potential for a seamless investment transition. The property is also ideal for owner-occupants planning a summer move-in, providing flexible purchase options. Residents enjoy low-maintenance living with access to Connerton's highly desirable resort-style amenities, including community pool, fitness center, clubhouse, walking and biking trails, parks and playgrounds. Connerton remains one of the most popular communities in Pasco County due to its strong rental demand, community lifestyle, and convenient access to surrounding areas. Located near SR 54, US 41, and the Suncoast Parkway, this home offers easy access to Tampa, major employers, shopping centers, restaurants, and top-rated Pasco County schools. Whether you're searching for a Land O'Lakes townhome for sale, an investment property with tenant in place, or a low-maintenance Florida home,